Can ChatGPT mark my homework? Well, let's have a look. I've got a few examples here, just very simple. We've got a quick image here, copy the image. Obviously, you would put your own homework in here, but we'll copy that. Can you please mark my homework? Now it will have to read the text. Looks well done and detailed. Here's a breakdown problem, number line. Excellent use of number one strategy. Answer is correct. Your final answer is correct, 621. So you can see there, if you were to say you had homework and you had to scan it, you could scan it in, take a photo from your phone or your tablet. I guess a lot of people use them on phones, ChatGPT on phones and tablets these days, so you could just take your photo and input it. ChatGPT will go through and mark it. If you did have anything wrong there, you could say, can you please explain question 7 for me? I got it incorrect. Something like that, for example. So now, can it read? This is a good test. Not the great, well, I mean, it's not bad handwriting, but it's not the most visible thing in the world. Queen Victoria is the most famous queen. Okay, so we've got a bit of history here. Can you please grade my history essay? Now, chat should be able to read this, but we will see your history essay about the Victorians is well done. Here's some feedback. Beautiful, poor life. Grammar and writing style, grade A-. Focus on adding more balance between the sections and refining your sentence clarity for an even higher grade. Well done. So there you go. It actually can go through and read the text that isn't the easiest thing to read. One last one. What do we got here? Not the easiest things to read again, but basic addition. Write this number 500. Beautiful, easy enough. Paste that one in here. Please mark my homework. And if you like your homework, you can say, please mark my homework, and then provide me with 20 similar questions so I can continue learning. Give this one a minute. Marking your homework. Day 1, answer is correct. Day 2, correct. Beautiful. Counting by hundreds. A+. Fantastic. So now you've got 20 similar practice questions. What is the... Oh, so yeah, we won't get into it all, but you can see there it's giving you some more work you can work through. So there you have it. Nice simple video just showing you that ChatGPT can definitely help you with your homework. Take a photo, throw it up on chat, and just ask it to mark it. Alrighty, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy it or learn anything here, please hit the like and subscribe button so you can get notified for any of our future videos.